ago. Remember, it was just 2 days back on Saturday evening that this incident from Rajendra Nagar in the national capital came to the fore. 15th of July, this is what happened in the national capital. You see those visuals on your screens. Another rain spell, and this is what it did to the streets in the national capital, and that's why these questions are being asked to several officials, authorities that need to fix these issues. Instead, they are engaged in mere blame game. Let me go across to Anshul once again. Anshul, tell us a little bit about these visuals. Is this the same area that we're talking about? Because, you know, on one part, on their part, the Aam Aadmi Party continues to say that we have been engaged in the process of desilting since the last so many months. So yes, we've done our job, but the reality on ground speaks otherwise.
Definitely, if you see, the monsoon arrived over here in the national capital on the 29th of June. On that very day, there were a lot of reports of waterlogging that had happened across the national capital. At that point, the MCD had said that the desilting work is underway. We did not have the idea that monsoon will arrive sooner than expected, and hence they were not prepared for that. But months after that, today is exactly 1 month, and today as well we have the same answer that the desilting work has still not been completed. The visuals that you are seeing on your screens right now is of the very same area where the waterlogging had happened on the 27th of July. These videos are from the 15th of July. At least 10 to 11 days before the incident happened, and as you can see in those visuals as well, the amount of water that had clogged in this area is approximately the same amount of water that was present on that day. Many students had in fact gone ahead and given a complaint to the MCD that the desilting work should be done, the water that has been logged in this entire area should be removed. There was no action that was taken by the MCD then eventually there was a small spell of rain that happened on the 27th of July in the afternoon, and suddenly there was 4 feet of water that had collected over here. Still no action taken by the MCD at least for 3 hours, because remember this incident happened approximately at 7 p.m. and the rains that happened approximately at 3:34 p.m. So in the next 3 to 4 hours there was no action that was taken by the MCD, due to which the water that had collected over here continued to collect. The water that was seeping in from different parts of this entire area also came down and collected over here, because if I tell you the topography of this entire area, this area where the incident happened, or right in front of Rao's IAS study circle, there is a slant, and this slant actually comes from behind the road towards the main road. So whenever rain happens, the entire water from across the streets gets collected towards the main road, that is towards the Rao's IAS study circle, because
Anshul,
the entire
does this
area
also
has
mean
been
that there
blocked.
is
In
no
fact,
merit in the claims that were first made of drain bursting, that there's much more to the problem than was being spoken of? Because here's what the situation in the same area in the national capital looked like just 10 days ago.
Well, definitely, whatever claims have been made by the MCD, all those claims actually fall flat on their faces. In fact, whatever claims have been made by the ministers and the MLAs as well, all of them absolutely fall flat on their faces, because there is very little to no work that has been done to keep the national capital ready for the monsoon. This is not the first time and probably not the last time that we are reporting on how the entire national capital gets inundated in water just after a small spell of rain that happens over here. This issue is going to continue as well. Yes, the authorities are at this point in time trying to show that they are working, they are trying to make sure that the lives of the people out here in the national capital can become easy in some way or the other. But definitely, as soon as the media cameras are off, as soon as the media gets away from this entire issue, it is for sure that there will be no action that will be taken, and this is what the students are scared of at this point. Yes, promises have been made, yes, action has been taken, officers have been suspended, the drains are being cleared, but what about the future is what the students are asking, and that is the reason why they are demanding that a long-term plan should be placed over here to make sure that whatever issues are being faced by, especially the civic issues, let alone the issues that are being faced by students, be it financially or probably through the coaching centers, but the civic issues that they have to face, the blocked roads that they have to travel through, muddy water they have to travel through, drain.
Yes, absolutely. The fact that this man was wading through knee-deep water on the 15th of July speaks volumes of the fact that the drainage system issues in the national capital were left unfixed, and that's what perhaps led to the loss of those 3 innocent lives on the 27th. Many thanks, Anshul, for joining us with those details. A quick break with that. We'll be right back.